Okay, let's proceed. Do you know that money hates those who are desperate to get it? Ego, paper. Money hates those who are desperate to get it. Haven't you asked yourself that question? Why be say you go see somebody we no even supposed to get money? I know say everybody's supposed to get money. You will see somebody go say, how this person can get money past me? How this person can get money past my papa? That's past my brother. This my brother, and I'm supposed to get money. Money hates those who are desperate to get it. Money hates noise. Money hates stress. Yes. Money like cool environment. And you see anywhere there is quarrel, anywhere there is fight, money no dey always enter there. Maybe one person don't go through something, take get money. That person will come, they make noise, cover other people, make them not get money. Because that money no come in a genuine way. You see person will get money genuinely, that person no they make noise. Yes, that is why I said money hates noise. Money hates those who are desperately to get it. And if I tell you the kind of stress where these people they go before they go get that money, those people where they do some kind of things to get their money, mago. Where they hear this time around, they will say, yeah, but if you know the kind of stress, if you know the kind of things where these people they go through before they can be able to get this money one day, you will come on cap from them. Can you be able to do it? No. You don't have to, because anything where you do to get money, my dear, in short, ma just talk and simple, you know good. You know good. How many people you want kill? Because one day get that people where they kill, one day that spirit where they tell me you kill those people to get money, that same spirit will request for your own blood tomorrow. You know get sense. You what Uche? Do now, do bring her, no problem.